Ring Floodlight Cams primarily use the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, which can be prone to interference and congestion. Initial setup and ongoing operation rely on this band, and the absence of Ethernet ports makes a stable Wi-Fi connection crucial. Outdated router firmware, incorrect network credentials, or general Wi-Fi interference are common culprits. Setup mode is a critical first step for connecting your Ring Floodlight Cam. To activate it, locate the Setup button on the back or base of the camera. Press and hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds until the status light begins flashing blue. This blue flashing indicates the camera has entered setup mode and is ready to be detected by the Ring mobile app. The blue flashing light confirms the camera is in pairing mode, allowing the Ring app to discover and connect to it wirelessly. This mode is particularly important during initial installation of a new camera, or when you need to reconnect it to a different Wi-Fi network, such as after moving or changing your router settings. For successful pairing, make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you want the camera to join. The camera will only connect to networks it can detect during setup mode. If you're having trouble, double-check your network settings and ensure the camera is within range of your Wi-Fi router. First, verify your router supports the 2.4 GHz band with WPA2 or WPA3 security. Ring Floodlight Cams require this band for stable connection. Next, reduce interference by positioning the camera within 30 feet of your router and keeping it away from interfering devices like microwaves. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to check signal strength. Aim for MIDA 50 dBm or better to ensure reliable connectivity. Finally, reboot your router as an initial step to clear any temporary glitches that might be causing connection issues. Outdated firmware is a frequent cause of connectivity problems. Ensure your Ring Floodlight Cam and router have the latest updates. Check if your router is dual band and ensure the 2.4 GHz band is enabled. 5 GHz only routers work with Ring cams. Be mindful of bandwidth overload, especially with many IoT devices connected. This can cause disconnections. Mesh Wi-Fi systems like Eero or Nest Wi-Fi offer a modern solution for improving coverage and reducing dropouts in larger homes. These systems use multiple nodes to create a seamless, robust network that maintains strong connections throughout your space. They can reduce dropouts by up to 40% in multi-node setups, providing consistent coverage where traditional routers fall short. Alternatively, a Wi-Fi extender can bridge weak signals, particularly useful in rural areas or homes with coverage gaps. In congested urban areas, many users have successfully resolved Ring Floodlight Cam connectivity issues by switching to mesh Wi-Fi systems. These systems distribute the network across multiple nodes, reducing interference and improving signal strength throughout the home. For rural users facing weak router signals, Wi-Fi extenders have proven effective. These devices amplify and extend the 2.4 GHz network, allowing the Ring camera to maintain a stable connection even at longer distances from the router. Remember to explore online communities for additional help. Forums like Reddit's r/ring and Ring's official community site offer user-generated troubleshooting tips and real-world solutions from other Ring Floodlight Cam owners. The industry is moving towards more robust connectivity options for devices like Ring cams. Future Ring cams may adopt Matter protocol for cross-ecosystem compatibility. They will utilize Zigbee or Thread as backup connections. AI-driven diagnostics will automate fixes. The transition to 6 GHz Wi-Fi 6E and 7 promises faster, more reliable connections, eliminating 2.4 GHz limitations.